Hi guys, Con here from Viccon Coatings. Today I want to introduce you to one of our jobs we restored about 3 years ago. We've been here last year also to do a maintenance treatment, and now we again back for another treatment, and just want to show how the deck lasted after 3 years. As you can see, we have some dust on the surface of the deck, but if we look closely, we don't have any major peeling, any dark spots, any delamination of the finish. Everything looks nice and smooth. Only have some light fading on the edges because of the salt and moisture properties is very close to the beach, and also maybe the chemicals from the pool, but if you look around, we can't see any major problems. Just a bit of dust, maybe a bit of fading from the elements. This deck was restored 3 years ago, and then last year we did a maintenance, clean and reseal, and now we're back for another maintenance treatment. And the deck will stay in this condition for many years with the right coating system installed initially and with the ongoing maintenance plan. Now I want to explain what is involved in our maintenance treatment. We have one of these buffers. We're using the buffer to clean and light sand the surface to make the new finish bounce better with the existing finish. This method is very cost effective because we're able to be in and out in one day with the maintenance without the need of chemical washing. And we believe this way is better than just washing alone, because we clean the surface plus we light sand over there and make it more prepared for the new finish to adhere on. Once we finish with the buffing, we're using a scraper to remove any debris between boards, and we clean all the surface to make sure there's no any dust and apply one coat of finish was used initially. Yeah, we use Hames Express in natural. This is what we use today again. Have a look how the finish on the deck is looking now, considering this was restored 3 years ago. Then last year we did the maintenance, and now we did another maintenance treatment. The deck looks nice and fresh, and most important, will be protected for another 12 months without letting the finish to peel, get the moisture under the finish. Maybe we'll have a bit of fading, which is normal for finish exposed to elements and UV. Thank you very much for your time. If you need help, contact us. We will have a right solution for you. Thank you.